How to make text bigger on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make text bigger on Snapchat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, what you can do is simply swipe right to open the DM section. And now here, once you're inside the DM section, simply select the chat where you want to send a bigger text. And now here, once you're inside the chat, what you can do is just tap on the text box and there you can simply type in your text. And now here, once you're done typing a text, just beside the text button, there you will see the option which have downward and upward arrow. So there you can just tap on it. And now once you do that, you can just drag up and down to make your font size bigger or smaller. So here, if you drag it and release it, then the text will be sent in the bigger font. So here you can just do that, or if you want to make your text smaller, you can just drag the slider to downward, and that's it. That's how you can make text bigger on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.